Hello everyone, welcome to HardReset channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can enable or disable keyboard sound in OPPO Find X7. So first, open your keyboard and now click on this little icon right here and now scroll until you see key sound, and here you can change the volume up to 0. You can turn off button vibration if you want, and now click done, and as you can see now we can't hear anything, but when we enable it back, now we can hear it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.